Doing an unboxing of the Panasonic AC30 camcorder. Just got it from eBay. Ordered it from Adorama's page on eBay. eBay had a special going right before the new year where it was 15% off. So I applied that and got it for a good deal. I think it was around $1,000. So yeah, got to be aware of those deals when they come out and grab it. All right, so here we go. We're gonna unbox. Power cord, charging cord, yep. Eye cup, get that in a minute. And eye cup, oh, cap, lens cap, shotgun mic holder, light filters, give you a different color on the light. Itty bitty battery. I don't know if I'll get 10 minutes out of it. Analog cords. Yep. And a book, of course. Like this. Oh yeah. Sealed? No, it's not sealed. Wow, this itty bitty thing, I like it. It's a little small, but it'll do the trick. I think it will. I'm gonna be doing some run and gun with it. Maybe a few live things. People ask me. I might do that. That's a little bitty screen though. Yeah, we'll see. It's supposed to be touchscreen, so we'll get into it. I like the lens hood. Does it have the automatic shutter? No, it doesn't close. Okay, like the UX80 does. Glad I finally got a camcorder over trying to do everything with that DSLR. So many settings got to be set on that DSLR to make it work right, and it might not be the best thing for all situations. DSLRs work for certain things, but not everything. So I'll get to working on this. I see it's got a switch for the light on here. 2 SD cards. Battery. These adapters and stuff. Yeah, outputs. Let's get that battery in there. See if it's any charge on it. I had to order one of these pronto. Is this the right one? Nope, don't look like it. This one. There we go. How do you get that out of there? Been using the T5i. I'm recording this actually on the T5i now. And my iPhone. If I switch cameras. Alright, let's see if we can get this on there. Oh, that's the wrong way. Let's do it. I think like this. I think. Let's see how I'm gonna be. I think I'm gonna be like this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do it like that. Yeah. And yeah. Do. Switch. Right there. That's the on and off. Alright, we got a light, man. It means it's power in that battery. Set the date and time. Alright. Insert a card. I got some cards. Hold on. I bought 64 gig SanDisk because they kept showing on the recommendation 64 gig cards, and I started to get a 128, but yeah, I'm just gonna use 64 gigs since that seems to be the one they recommend. All right, that one goes there. Put that one in there. Change the battery. Let's plug it up. Oops. it read the card too. Okay, cool. Cool. Did you get that? Okay, it's showing the battery going dead, so we might have to plug in the power source. Oh, that's a charging. Little light is on for charging. Headphones. Let me see if I can. Okay, so I'm trying to use this Takstar I bought, but I gotta get an adapter to plug it into the XLR. So until I get that, I can't use this. Basically, the microphone, it picks up my voice from all sides here, the top and the side over there too, and it also picks up from up front. So that's the light. Yeah, I get it. So I'm gonna do it, the test of the mic real quick. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Testing the mic, the mic, the mic, the mic, the mic, the mic. Testing the mic, testing. And I'll go in front of it. Testing the mic, testing the mic, testing the mic, testing the mic, the mic. And yeah, it seems to pick up from the front, sides, and everything. So I'll zoom back, get this focus here. Okay, and then zoom back and then go back over there. Alright, so we got it. Alright, and go back. Alright, so that's see if we can zoom it down in here. This is pretty quiet, I don't hear it. Yeah. Yeah, and I'll do some more. I'll do some more tests on this later, as I mess around with it some more and do some recording. I'll do some test recording with it, probably by this week. Not sure yet. Don't quote me on that, y'all. I like how the ring turns red when you're recording though, and then it turns blue when it's off. That's pretty cool. We'll be checking back on this later. So far, I'm geeked. I'm glad I got it. Definitely beats DSLR stuff when you gotta always sit there and adjust stuff. And this is kind of like more run and gun. We can get it done. Did that just rhyme?